there will be no programmers in the next 5 years. Yes, you're it right. That's a bold statement and it's made by Imad Mostak, the founder of the Stable Diffusion. AI, the unstoppable force that's transforming industries and reshaping our job landscape. Many fear that it will replace thousands of jobs in the next 5 to 10 years. But what if I told you that instead of becoming a casualty, you could leverage AI to make millions? In this video, I will show you how to use AI to get rich and stay ahead of the game. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and today we are diving into the world of AI and how it can be your ticket to success. So let's jump right in. Number 1. Learn AI. The first step to using AI to your advantage is to become familiar with AI tools and master the art of prompts. Whether you are a programmer, graphic designer, digital marketing, or in any other field, there are AI tools tailored to your industry. If you are a programmer or aspiring to become one, learning how to use GitHub's Copilot can significantly speed up your coding process. These AI tools assist coders of all levels and help you code faster and more efficiently. Graphic designers, listen up. Tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion can revolutionize the way you generate graphics. These tools use text-to-image prompts, enabling you to bring your creative ideas to life in no time. Digital marketers, pay attention. Tools such as Postgita and Ad Creative AI are game changers in your field. With AI-driven content, SEO and social media will experience mass shakeups. Stay ahead of the competition by leveraging these powerful tools. And remember, regardless of your industry, learning how to write prompts is a valuable skill. Websites like learnprompting.org provides excellent resources to enhance your prompt writing abilities. And if you wanted to become a prompt engineer, then we have already uploaded a video for this topic. You can check it out on our channel. Number 2. Differentiate yourself. As AI continues to advance, the most easily replaceable jobs will be the first group. To secure your place in the future job market, you need to create more value than just doing your job. Ask yourself, if a robot can do your job, what unique skills or qualities do you possess that makes you irreplaceable? This brings us to our next point. Creativity is a key. While AI can perform many tasks efficiently, it can never replicate the creativity and innovation that human brings to the table. If you work in a creative field or have a talent that showcases your creativity, you will always be in demand. Lastly, stay up to date on AI. Knowledge is power, and in this rapidly evolving world, staying informed about AI and its impact on various industries is crucial. I highly recommend subscribing to the AI Tools Talk YouTube channel. We provide valuable insights and updates on how to use AI to your advantage, and it's completely free. So there you have it. By learning AI, differentiating yourself, embracing your creativity, and staying informed, you can ride the wave of AI disruption and turn it into an opportunity for tremendous success. Remember, adaptability is the key to thrive in the AI-powered world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, embrace AI and make your future prosperous one.